Market update here on the 4th. So, kind of a little bit of a warning. This doesn't have to happen, but I have a suspicion that it might happen. We could be looking at a wave 2 right here. If that's the case, then I would expect this move right here on QQQ to happen in the next couple of days. Maybe even like starting later today, selling off a little bit right now. And my target would be 332. All these tech stocks have a lot of gaps below. Tesla almost hit the gap here at 262. And maybe we're waiting for Tesla to hit that gap. And then we sell off hard. Microsoft bounced but did not take out the high. I added puts here, sold some covered calls. If it gets above the high, then I'll get rid of those. But Microsoft can easily go down to the 200 DMA. The video's got a gap here at 395. The VIX looks like this was a second wave right here. And if that's the case, then this could potentially turn into something like this, maybe even higher. And Tesla, if it hits its gap fill, has this gap down here at 216. So, and then Apple's got a gap at 166 and 157. So, I don't know. That's just my thinking. This is a pretty quick update. Just watch out, because what happened this morning, real quick, what happened this morning was I was expecting this to be a C wave after it bounced really big. Because in the video before, I said this is probably going to go lower. If we would have done that, I would have said 347. But instead, we get a corrective bounce up here. But it wasn't a C wave. It was a corrective move. A C wave would have been impulsive. We didn't get an impulsive move. So if it's a corrective move, and this was a 5-wave move, then that means we're looking at potentially an extended 5th wave. And as I'm making this video, we're selling off a little bit more here. So the minimum would be like low 340s, but I would say this gap fill at 332. So everyone thinks it's done still. I mean, everyone I see is talking about, okay, it's finally over with. Watch out. Cover your positions. And we're selling off here, so watch out here. That's just a warning. I don't know if it will play out for sure or not. It's a pretty big move, but I'm skeptical that we're going to stay up here. I think there's a very good chance this happens. Anyway, that's it. Protect your positions.